The National Council on Drug Abuse, NCDA, wants Jamaicans to be ganja literate. The council launched its Good Ganja Sense campaign on Tuesday. It's a continuation of public education campaigns focused on educating Jamaicans on the use of ganja following the decriminalization of the drug in 2015.
Executive Director of National Council on Drug Abuse, Michael Tucker, says there is a need for a public education campaign on the pros and cons of ganja use.
Successful national studies among the general and youth populations have shown that there is a need to undertake ongoing public education, clarify issues and myths surrounding ganja, especially with the changing legal context.
Mr. Tucker says the NCDA has been focused on educating teens about drug abuse through edutainment.
Additionally, the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information personnel, which included guidance counselors, health and family life education teachers, and these are discipline, were engaged regarding the Ministry of Education's policy for substance use in schools, and to determine the extent to which they use the policy and their recommendations overall for improvement of this policy.
He says the campaign has been successful so far, with students have displayed knowledge on the effects of drug use.
Recognizing the success of the youth component, the Ministry of Health and Wellness proposed an expansion of the program to include a public education component for the general population. And of course, this is to address the ongoing myths that exist, advance the population's knowledge in relation to scientific value of ganja, and continue the dialogue on decriminalization and how we should operate in this environment.
According to Mr. Tucker, the new campaign aims to utilize memorable, innovative, and targeted activities within the general population.
Range of strategies that will be used include social media advocacy, radio and television ads, print media and print materials, and billboards. Ladies and gentlemen, the NCDA has been in existence for almost 40 years, and we recognize the fundamental needs to incorporate community-based engagements that bolster efforts to increase knowledge, as we are keenly aware that knowledge by itself does not change behavior. So the Good Ganja Sense campaign will have community-based participatory tools such as games and other interactive learning elements for the purpose of reinforcing concepts and generating interest about a balanced approach to ganja. The groups to be targeted includes parents, youth, community leaders, and community groups, among others.
Melvin Pennant, PBCJ News.